Hello everyone, today we are going to create 3D model for exercise number 5 in Inventor software. First you can click new part and in here you can click tools, go to document settings and I will change units into a millimeter for length. You can click OK. Go back into 3D model tabs and you can click start to the sketch. I will choose a top plane. In here we can create circle, start from this point and we can set a diameter into 90. You can press enter. You can double click in middle mouse to use a zoom extend and we create circle again in here with diameter 80. Next we create circle with diameter 38 and now we can create circle with diameter 30. You can press enter. Okay. I will create line start from this point and you can move to the right here. We can set distance between these lines and to center points. You can click at this point and we can set into 30. You can press enter. The next I will use a trim command to cut these lines and also these circles. I will create circle start from this point and we can set for diameter into 20. We also can create at this point 20 and then at this point we can set into 10. Use a trim command again to cut the circle. Okay, also at this point and can cut in here. Now I will use offset command to offset these objects. Inside here we can set for offset distance into 4. Also at this point we can set offset distance into 4. You can use a trim command to cut this circle. Okay, we cut in here. And also I will cut at this point. Okay, you can select these objects and press delete button. The next you can click finish sketch. And now to convert this object into 3D models, we can use extrusion tools. You can click here extrude, select at this face. You can extrude into 75. You can press enter. Okay, extrude again at this face. You can active for sketch 1, right click and we can set visibility to on, so it will be appear for sketch models. You need to extrude again at this face. You can extrude into 5. You can press enter. Next, use orbit tools to see in the inside here. We can extrude at this face into 5. The next at this face we can extrude into 75. Press enter. Now we can inactive again for visibility sketch 1. You can right click and uncheck for visibility. You can click plans and we can create new plans at this center points, middle points. You can click and now we can choose at this plan. Click start to the sketch and select at this plan. We can create circle, start from this point and we can set for diameter into 20. Use the offset command with offset distance 4. Next we can set distance from center points into here. We can set into 30. Okay, now we can click finish sketch and we can use extrusion tools to extrude from this face, move the arrows into here. So this is enough. The next you can use join tools and you can click OK. So it will be connect between two objects, and to create holes we need to active for sketch 2, right click and visibility. Click extrusion tools and select at these regions. You can move into here the arrow and now we can change boolean into a cut. Click OK. So it will be cutting, as you can see, and you can right click again in sketch 2, uncheck for visibility. Now finally we can use fillet tools and we can set into loop. For radius I will set into 1. Next you can select at this edge also in here. Okay, click at this point and We click at this point, the next in here, okay, and insert here, and the last at this point. Now you can click apply and can click cancel. So it will be fillet in all edge. You also can hide for this plan, work plan 1, right click and click uncheck for visibility. Okay, we already create this simple 3D model for exercise number 5 in Inventor software. If you have any question about these tutorials, you can comment below this video.